Welcome to step 6 of the Hero's Way. This is the step after the threshold, after the step 5, where we were having the first main test before coming out, before entering the spiral of amplification, of energetization of what we said we are going to do. And that spiral can be conscious or unconscious. If we haven't done the homework before, all the clearing of all these steps, what we see in here, because it's like a fertile ground of reality, will start amplifying. So if we unconsciously put into this creation matrix things that we didn't observe or detect or consider in this map, we will start manifesting things later that may incur into an explosion or a crash, or what we are looking, the manifestation of magic, as an effervescence, as Paris says, the bubbles of the champagne. That's going to be the step 7. That's a preview to the effect that is going to have how we work on the energetization, how we energize, how we feed and nurture the same track, the same direction that we already set course on these first 5 steps. So this is a matter of nourishing what imprint of energy, how we are even cultivating. This has a lot to do with the nurturing and the cultivation of what we are putting out. So, for example, the consistency on doing what on moving, keeping moving forward, the advance, the heroic advance, despite all the distractions, deviations, blockages, stagnations that we may detect from here, is going to have the effect on this manifestation. Make sense? So, also can be the manifestation can be like, if we didn't put energy, it falls short. It can fall short. It's like nothing happened, or it was not that powerful as we projected, because the energy was filtered and leaked by all the egoic and how we got stuck in densities. I highly recommend to watch the second part of the Hero's Map, where we talk about the registries. This is the subtilizations of how we manifest the energy. So remember, we have the most subtle, the more like the subtle would be the symbolical, the imaginary, or the real. So if we are wasting a lot of energy to move things on the dense and pushing, we may fall short of energy later, because we try to solve it on the dense realm. And as the method says, the method of the magicians and the alchemists, the subtle rules over the dense. So that for energy economics, we here start working on energy economics, and also the awareness of what we're feeding, if this is feeding or nurturing what we said we are going to do or not. So that's why we put red or green dots, and that's going to have the effect of, we have an unconscious manifestation, yes, because we can create magic, as we said in the Hero's Map, but in the service of the ego. So we may have a crash of our structure when we manifest what we wanted, and it was not our real wanting. It was not really us wanting that. So we have a crash into another's reality that manifested, or the effervescence. We raised up and we can celebrate the bubbles of the magic later. And that's on the next step. See you tomorrow.